Everyone has at least one pair. You know what I'm talking about, those comfy pants that you can't wait to slip into when you get home. Sweatpants are a part of everybody's wardrobe, and frankly, they offer a large canvas of different places to put customized transfers. To my left, you see a couple examples of some different kinds of sweatpants, and you notice that these are all decorated either in the mid-thigh, on the adults here, or on a child, we've gone from upper thigh all the way down to ankle. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to apply onto a pair of sweatpants. So first we're going to load our sweatpants up onto the lower platen. Now I'm going to be pressing on the hip, so I'm going to load them just like this, where I have the waist towards the back of the press. Now I'm actually going to use the edge of the pants as my guide for where I'm putting the transfer. You have to keep in mind that the natural crease that's in the sweatpants on the side here is actually going to be the middle of somebody's thigh. So the closer I get to it, the closer to the center of the thigh I'm going to be. So first, before we grab our transfer, we're going to pre-press this just to get the wrinkles out. Now I have a clear idea of exactly where this will fall. So I want this to be on the thigh, and again I'm following this natural crease on the side, making sure that my spacing is pretty good. Looks good to me. It looks all lined up, and I have it right side up. Oh. So now we're going to go ahead and hit it. And hot peel. There's your customized sweatpants. Now, we didn't actually have to go on the hip on this. You'll notice I actually went a little bit higher up on this example than the ones to my left. I went about not quite halfway down, more to the top half of the hip. But there's more applications that you can actually do on a pair of sweatpants. For example, you could easily put a transfer on the back of the ankle. This offers a really unique placement, something that you don't see much of, and about 4.5 by 4.5, 5 by 5, that's about a good size for that. You also can put transfers on either side of the front of the thigh. Now what's nice about this is you can put a number on one side and a design on the other side, and again the size here, I wouldn't go any larger than about 4.5 by 4.5. Think of it as like a left chest size. And then lastly, on an adult-sized pair of sweatpants, if you're willing to do a 2 heat press method, using 2 different hits of the heat press, you can actually apply a transfer that goes all the way from the hip straight down to the ankle, somewhere in the 20-inch area. But as you can see, the sky is the limit. There's all sorts of stuff you can do with sweatpants, so get out there and be creative. This has been Andy Curtis with Transfer Express, and thanks for watching.